Ninth subject English. The necklace part second. Last passage. We learnt about it. Now I give you passage on that part. Read the following passage carefully and complete the activities. Even simple factual activities. Complete the following table. 1. Utterance. You must have made a mistake. Who said it? To whom? When? Now second sentence, where I lost it. Who said? To whom? When? Third, mine was in imitation. Who said? To whom? When? See the whether following statements are true or false. Matthew first recognized her dear friend immediately. Second, Madhma Foster still looked young, beautiful and charming. It had taken them 10 years to pay for the imitation diamond necklace. Fourth sentence, the imitation was not worth 500 francs at most. Now passage number 4, textbook page number 30. One Sunday as she was walking in the dash worth 500 francs at most. Now question A2, complex factual activity. Arrange the following sentence in order of their occurrence. There are 4 sentences, they are mixed. Now sequence correct. First sentence, Matilda tells Madhma Foster about her time and miseries. Madhma Foster tells that the necklace was an imitation. Third, Madhma Foster did not recognize Matilda because she was completely changed. And fourth sentence, Matilda met Madhma Foster in the Champs-Élysées on Sunday. There are 4 sentence sequence, correct it. Now A3, vocabulary based activity. Match the words in column A with their meaning in column B. A column, familiarly, astonished, imitation आणि fourth, innocent. B column, artificial not real, in a friendly manner, very surprised. Next D, having not done anything wrong. Match the column A with B. Now write from the passage the verbs that end with ed. Find out the verbs in the passage. A4, grammar language study based activity. Spot the circle the error in the following sentences. Then rewrite the sentence after correcting them. First sentence, no, I am Matilda Loisir. Second sentence, Madhma Foster were stunned. Correct the sentence. Now, then A5, personal response, open-ended questions. Write what you think about the following thought and action of Mathilde. Mathilde told her friend about the lost necklace. Second question, who do you think was responsible for Mathilde's misery? Was it her friend, she herself, her husband, or the circumstances? So solve this passage in your note.